Hello friends! Today we're going to draw 3D shapes. Let's begin. This is a cylinder. This is a cone. Kids, please try to draw with me using a scale. It will make your shapes more beautiful. It's so fun to draw 3D shapes together. This is a hexagonal prism. Kids, do you know which shape is this? Yes, kids, you are right. This is a cube. This is a cuboid. Repeat with me, cuboid. Now let's paint. This is yellow color. This is sky blue color. This is orange color. This is dark blue color. This is red. This is green color. This is pink color. This is sky blue color. This is orange color. This is dark blue color. This is sky blue color. This is yellow color. This is green color. This is pink color.